Alright, you can see I've already marked this side. Alright, right here. Now, we need to make a mark here at this point. Alright, right down there. Now, we can measure down. Okay. Okay, get that right underneath there. Okay, there we go, just like that. Now, this top pencil line, and we have 7/8. All right, 7/8. Okay, now we're going to mark this here. All right, 7/8. Where is 7/8? 7/8 is 1/8 before an inch. All right, because there's 8/8 in 1 inch. There's your 7/8 right there. Okay, 7/8, which is 14/16, 15/16. There's 16/16 in an inch, 16/16, 1 inch. All right, 7/8. We don't call it 14/16 because it's an improper fraction. All right, right there. Now, what am I gonna do? All right, so I'm gonna do this for the viewing audience. I'm gonna make a little dotted line on here. All right, when you can. It's kind of hard, but this can tilt, okay? Because the tile's edge stops here, but when you can, you want to reverse your speed square and come down here where you can see it, all right? So if you marked one end and then the other, that would allow you to line it up, okay? And then you can just mark across, see? There we have it. All right, double check. Okay, there we are, 7/8. Okay, 15/16, 16/16, 1 inch. Every mark is a 16th, and there's 16 of them in 1 inch. There's 8/8 in 1 inch. There's 4/4 in 1 inch. Okay. All right, let's go to the saw. We'll also be doing a round over on the edge. Here we're going to do a round over without it being on the cabinet. We're going to do this, and I'll show you how to do this round over. All right, now we're going to use the speed square. I can see through the tape. All right, it's here on top. My pencil line is right. You might be able to vaguely see it right here. All right, so we're going to bring this right up to that. Here. Then we just drop this down this way. All right. Then we just bring it here. Done. All right, now, this other side. All right. Here, bam. And then down. Come across the top and down. There we have it. Okay. Let's go out to the saw. Remember, I'll be doing this round over next. All right, we want a 16th, 30-second wiggle room between this opening and the wall plate, all right, the outlet plate. So we need it just a hair bigger on this one side. All right, I'm going to start out flat, then I'm going to slowly raise it upward. All right, I'm coming down to this line right here, coming across. Okay, now it's pivoting here at the fence. All right. Now, got to get this in alignment with the saw blade. Done. All right, now the other side. Again, starting it out flat. Okay. I'm eyeballing that in. I'm sighting it in. All right. Almost to the line. Raising this up. All right, now we take out the center, okay? Carefully take out the center. Better view, all right. I'm cutting right above the line. Now, watch this. Watch this. It doesn't take anything fancy. All right. Now, just take this and just kind of knock it. I'm just trying to show you how easy this is. Okay. All right. I have to be careful with this outside one because I do not want that to break. All right, that's simple. Now I'm going to clean this up. Okay. Now I'm going to keep this at an angle. I'm going to slide it back and forth carefully to clean that center up. All right. All right, here we go. All right, now I got to take out this hump right here, okay? All right, I've been working on it a bit, carefully. All right, let's go check this out. All right, proof is in the pudding. Here we go. We're going to keep it real. All right. Now, I'm going to show you where the problem is. There's a little problem, a minor adjustment. All right, I'm going to show you up close and personal, just to keep it real. All right, do you see it? I got to clean that up a little bit, but there's my issue. It's catching right there. I had my tape covering it. I didn't see it. All right, but that's a nice close fit over here. All right. So that's about perfect. I just need to clean this up a little bit and we'll be fine. So stay tuned. All right, this little block I made, sanding block, works really good for this. Kind of smoothing this out. Okay. Remember, you don't want to interfere with this front edge. You want it nice and straight and level there. And that's part of the purpose for doing this. Alright, this will help you fine tune it. And this marble is fairly soft, and this is an 80 grit. Alright. I'm coming across at an angle here. Going to work this edge nice and square. Smooth it out. Light pressure over here because you don't want to break off this little ear. Very careful. Crazy glue will glue it back together. Alright, we're just going to smooth out this edge a little bit. Very light pressure right there on the corner, on the outer edge. Okay. Smooth this one out a little bit. Okay, again, light pressure right there on that corner. Going to do a little round over on it. Do a little round over here, start on the corner and work it around to the inside. Here, kind of work it round to the inside. Here, round to the inside. Start out on that corner. Out on this corner, round to the inside. Do a little round over. Okay, we can kind of bring this back a little bit there. Okay, now, where's this tape? Now let's check it out. Okay, proof is in the pudding. We're putting it right now. Okay, you gotta be careful with this little ear. Now, Crazy Glue will glue it. I've been using this Gorilla Glue. All right. Okay, looks like I may have to just taper that back a little bit. Okay, but that pretty well has it. Now this is a 1/2 inch thick, so that's where my problem lies there. So I'm going to make that round that over a little better so it blends and Looks a little better when I'm done. All right, so this edge isn't going to be so sharp and hard. It's going to be soft and a round. Going to have a curve, which is be more like a round over. I'll be doing the round over on this outside tile. That's going to go from the outer edge of this cabinet up the wall. All right, so on the next piece of tile, I'm going to do a round over here at this corner and round it over to the wall where it's going to end. All right, off of the cabinet. It creates too much dust, way too much dust. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, now I will be doing the round over on the next piece of tile on this outer edge. It's going to round over to the wall like I did on my last video, but it was already glued to the wall. All right, I'm going to do it off the wall. I want to show you how to do that and how to set it up. Okay, in the meantime, I'll show you what I'm doing. I marked the inside, all right, where it meets the face plate, the switch plate there. All right, I'm just going to do a round over to this. Okay. And you'll see the end results. Okay. I'm going to have to support this. Like I keep saying, you can use Crazy Glue. And I'm using this Gorilla Glue gel, Crazy Glue. But if you can get away and you don't have to use it, it's even better. Okay, I'm back here at about 270, roughly, angle towards the face. Roughly about 270 degrees. Then I'm slowly wrapping it, turning it to where the line is, the pencil line is on the inside, and I'm stopping it at that point. You want to work that corner right there and flatten that corner out, which helps it to wrap and round over, all right? Okay, so remember, easy 2 tips and tricks. Tell a friend, it's a win-win-win. All right? Where you see everything up close and personal. Well, almost everything. You don't want to snap back and put pressure on this with your sanding block either. You can make these sanding blocks however wide you like. I just took some Velcro and put some Velcro strips here on the side where it's the hook and loop, okay? Where the sandpaper will hook into it, just like it does on the sanding pad. The sanding pad is a hook and loop, all right? It just kind of made sense to me. Never seen anybody use it. Velcro that way. It was my idea. As far as I know, I've never seen anyone else do it. I mean, I'm the only one, but I've never seen anybody else. Anyway, it's that easy. You take your block of wood, put some Velcro, hook and loop on the side, and your sandpaper will hook right into it. Again, at about a 270 degree angle. And you come right down on that angle, right down on that corner, and flatten that corner out. Right down on top of that corner. And then come around. Come around. Right to the pencil line on the inside. Alright, starting to take shape. Well, thanks for being here. Appreciate your time. Appreciate your watching. If you're searching through this video and you're here at this point, I want to thank you for your time and support. If you haven't subscribed, you might want to subscribe. You never know what you're going to get on this channel. Kind of like a box of chocolates. A lot of tiling videos, though. I guess I should turn it into a little school, you know. But so far it's all free, all of it. You're going to flatten that corner out. About 270 degrees, 290 degrees, and then in. Okay. Round over. A bull nose goes from the bottom up halfway, from the top down, and then work it back and forth once you've got the shape. And that's a bull nose. All right, this is a slow process here. Okay, but I'll show you. You can see what's rounding over. Okay. I really got to take it easy because this could break. So I have to be very careful with that. There you go. All right, now remember, easy 2 tips and tricks. Tell a friend. It's a win-win-win. I appreciate the support, your time. And united we stand, and united we make it happen. I've been saying that for a while. And I appreciate everyone that's part of my community. I've been busy lately, death in the family, and trying to get out these videos. I'm shooting 4,000 videos.